Presenting the Amazon Basics 30-liter convection microwave that is suitable for large families with 4 to 6 members. This Amazon Basics microwave can be used for baking along with grilling, reheating, defrosting and cooking. It can be used for combination cooking as well. The microwave lets you defrost frozen food items easily. This microwave features a high-quality stainless steel cavity, making it more hygienic and durable. It also comes with a touch panel with LED display that lets you control your microwave with just a simple touch. The multi-cooking stage function helps you do unattended cooking as it lets you set different stages of cooking at a single go. The microwave automatically moves on to the next stage when the previous one is completed. With the 30-second quick start function, you can easily set the timer for quick operations. It also comes with a timer function to signal the end of cooking time. This Amazon Basics microwave comes with 95 auto-cook menus that makes cooking easier and more convenient even for people who are not familiar with microwave cooking recipes. This microwave comes with brand warranty of 1 year on product and 3 years on the magnetron. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.